Good morning, Steve Reed with the morning grain comments. Markets are mostly lower. Beans down about 3 cents at 11.85. Corn down 3 at 4.39. Wheat down 7 at 5.92. Meal's down $1, while oil's slightly higher, maybe mostly unchanged. Outside market, S&Ps are lower. The dollar's higher, continues to rally from Friday's sharp gains after the jobs report. Crude's lower, and gold and silver are also lower. Over the weekend, there were attacks by the U.S. on some of the Iran-sponsored targets in the Middle East. So we'll see if that causes any increase in some of these factions' attack on ships in the Red Sea and U.S. positions in the Red Sea. We'll also be watching the USDA report this week. Most people are looking for them to keep a lot of the numbers unchanged. The feeling is by private sector that U.S. corn, soybean, and wheat exports could be eventually lowered due to strong competition from the Black Sea for corn and wheat, and South America for soybeans, especially Argentina. Argentina was hot and dry over the weekend, possibly on stressing some of the crops there. The maps are pretty much in agreement that starting later this week, Argentina is going to get a good chance of rains. We'll just have to see. The maps kind of differ about the amounts and coverage, with the American model wetter than the European model. Brazil conditions are mostly favorable as harvest advances for both corn and soybeans. Cash markets down in Brazil, especially on the corn side, a little weaker because of the lack of new demand. Same thing we could say about soybeans, with China not stepping up and buying beans yet. China's economy continues to be slow. They continue to offer stimulus to try to help conditions, but again, there is some concern about lower food demand because of the situation of their economy, and even though the hog numbers are down, so could be their imports of feed and protein. Not much difference in far as Europe is concerned. Black Sea increase in tension as Ukraine targeted a oil refinery in Russia, deep inside of Russia. Still, exports out of both Ukraine and Russia continue to push out wheat and corn from Ukraine. So kind of evening up, maybe in front of the USDA report. We're below $12 in the beans, and 4.36 is the next support in corn, nearby corn, and the wheat market below $6 again in the March Chicago.